Alright, Pawpaw, Sammy, now they bug here. Today, I'm going to show you how I rooted my fig trees and my pineapple. First, I had to come to my medicine kit. Number one, rooting powder. Number two, baby aspirin. Okay. Now, we go back over to the workbench. I need to go out and cut a limb off my fig tree and show you how I do this. I think I have everything I need except water. I'm gonna need water. So, I'll go to my old trusty buckets. Somewhere's in here. There you go, this will do it. And put water in it. I'm gonna kill it till we get to the root tree. Okay. Need to come over here where I can talk to him. This is an LSU gold. I cut this rascal by mistake, ground level at the start of the year. And I started pouring coffee grounds, worm poop, TLC, and everything else you could think of to get it to grow. And look at it. It grew this much in half a season. Now,
Wow.
it's getting
You want to
late
talk about your mulch really quick?
in About what?
Your mulch?
Oh yeah. Well, everything I got is mulch. There's no doubt about it. I keep piling much in it, mulch. And like I said, coffee grounds, worm poop. Now here's the trick. It's getting late in the year. The figs were not starting to ripe. I reached up here and broke the tops off all the way around. That's telling that tree, quit growing. Look, start turning.
Yeah, look at that.
Look over there.
Yeah.
Now, what I'm gonna do right now is just pick out a limb. Let me see, which one do I like?
What are you looking for, if you don't mind me
I'm
asking?
looking for one that looks like, that looks pretty good.
Looks like what?
You got some solid wood and some tender wood.
Oh, you cut off a fig.
Well, cut off more than one. No, just one. Ain't no biggie. Now, this I'll go in the shed and show you how you put it down the root.
Okay.
I need water in this.
Is that charcoal down there?
Yeah.
What does that do?
It rots. It eventually works. I got some buried too. It holds moisture and bacteria. It helps the plants.
Alrighty. Look at your bees over there. How they doing?
Oh, they're doing great. I'm getting cocky. I need to get in there and get this honeysuckle. Come on. It's got so much. Hell, that's enough.
Wait, what happened?
I don't know, it's got a hole in it. That's my luck.
That's funny. Okay, so your aluminum pot has a hole in it, so now what?
And my pot had a hole in it, but my bear don't.
Where'd you get those?
Uncle Lonnie,
Oh, he loves those cookies?
he eats them by the handful.
All them lights on in there, Paul.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how I got from here
Sorry.
to here. That's LSU gold. All right, look. You peel it. Just rip them off. Or cut them off. It don't matter. Now I've never had much luck. When you get down to the green part, like right here, see how it goes from to green? I've never had much luck
With what?
with the green part. You'll notice the ones that's rooted is hard. And sometimes the hard don't root. If you look, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7, 4 rooted. 2 of them rooted and quit. They died. You never know. So you just keep trying. All right, what you do is cut a hard slant. See, a hard slant. And cut it square. Make sure you plant them right side up, not upside down. And it's not hard to figure out because you know which way they grow.
Never even thought about that.
Now, notice I slanted it. This one's slanted. And you take are you too close?
I don't think so.
So you take your knife and you get after it. Make sure you get down to get down into it.
Get all the bark off?
Yeah, make sure you got all the bark off. All right, now, you come right here. Woo, whoopee. And you take your little rooting compound and you just rub that rascal in it, shake it a little bit, and you ease right over here and you stick it in the ground. Okay? Same procedure. Make sure you get down to pulpwood, solid wood, or as solid as the figure's gonna be. All right, stick it down in there, roll it around real good, and stick it right down in here. Now, what I'm gonna do is take out the ones that didn't root. And you see, that's how they was. They just didn't root for whatever reason. So I'm getting them out of there.
But what are you sticking it into? What's in here?
That's a pasteboard box with
What material's in there?
That's just pot and salt with my worm poop.
Okay.
This one didn't make it either.
It started to.
I thought it did start, but it didn't quite do it. It died back. Okay. So that takes care of this. Now, what you do, if you're gonna water it, take your water container, put 2 or 3 baby aspirins in it, and let them dissolve. Then when you come in here to water, you pour it around the roots. The baby aspirin also is a rooting hormone. Now here's the one I like. Where's my little card at? Oh, there it is. This came from Hawaii. Starkey's farmstead went over, and she buys this stuff to help the economy. She's also ordering. They'll ship, but she's gonna order 9 and ship them here. I'm gonna root them for her. If you notice the little bitty roots, this is about 8 days old. What you do with this little rascal, when you get it, you take and you peel these leaves off from here to about 2 inches. And see the little roots? They're growing. And you leave it alone. That's about 7 or 8 days old.
How often do you change your water?
Oh, I change it every day or two. And what I'll do with that, like every second or third time I change it, I'll take a teaspoon of coffee after I make coffee, and I'll pour it in the water.
Coffee or coffee grounds?
Coffee.
Okay.
Plain coffee. And what it does is nitrogen, and it gives it a kick. So if you want these pineapples, all you have to do is
Scan
send this,
that.
it, and order, and they'll ship them to you. And believe me, they're delicious. So this is going to give Starkey's Farmstead 10 of them to plant. In 2 or 3 years, she'll be harvesting pineapples. Takes about 1.5 years, 2 years for them to develop.
Very nice.
You ain't getting on my pineapple, sweet pea.
What was that?
It was Nitwit. He's history. I happened to look at it and see him nibbling on my. That's not gonna happen. Anyway, that takes care of it. Now, like and subscribe, Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bud.